As a reminder, CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete. They're the primary actions that you'll undertake when interacting with the database. We're now ready to start building the user interface elements that will allow users to add new tasks into our database. This represents the C from CRUD, so users can create new tasks. The first thing we need to do is to create a new file in our templates directory called add_task.html. Open the new file, and like all other template files, we need to extend this from our base.html template. The contents of this new page will be injected into our block element called content. Don't forget to add the closing end block as well. For now, we'll keep things simple and expand upon this in the next videos. Let's create an H3 header with the classes of light blue text, text darken 4, and center align. This header will read add task. Save the file, and let's head over to our app.py file. Scroll to the very bottom, below all of our user authentication functions. Add 2 blank lines, and for the add_app.root decorator, our path will be /add_task. We're going to first build the default method of get, so no methods are currently needed. The view, or function name, will match that of add_task. Let's return our new rendered template of add_task.html. Save the file, and if your app isn't currently running, go ahead and start it now. Before we load the preview page, however, let's add some navigation into the base template. Copy one of the existing URL4 links and paste it into the href for new task. The function we're calling here is add_task that we just created. Copy that, and remember to paste it below in the mobile side nav bar. Save the file, then let's preview the live page now. Go ahead and click on the New Task button. And sure enough, our template is properly rendering to the page. What we're going to do next is to start building a form that users can submit in order to add a new task to the database. To keep things elegant and conform to good UX, let's have a look at the Materialize site. There are various elements that we could use within the Forms section of the menu. For example, click on Pickers, and one of the options we'll use later is the Date Picker. Another option we'll use is the Select element, which will generate our categories drop-down list. For now though, we'll keep things simple in order to get the main boilerplate created. Let's click on Text Inputs, then scroll down to the section which contains icon prefixes. Copy the entire code block, and let's paste that into our add_task template. After cleaning up the code with proper formatting, we can start to make some changes. The icon prefix will use Font Awesome, so I'll remove the original icon name and Material Icons class. Instead, we'll type FAS, FA user circle, and then after the prefix, let's apply some color by typing light blue text and text darken 4. Copy that entire icon and let's replace the one below as well. The icon this time will be FA phone. Currently, the Materialize grid layout for these input fields has them sitting side by side using the S6 class, each occupying 6 spaces on the grid. Let's make them both span the full width on all devices, so update them to S12. We also need to add a few properties to the form element, so include method equals post, and for now, we'll have a blank action. Save the file, and let's reload the page to see how things are looking. Excellent! We have a standard boilerplate form ready for us to customize. At the moment, we have no way of submitting this form yet, and we don't have our actual data in place yet either. We'll add more to this in our next video, but for now, let's go ahead and push our changes to GitHub. Git add -A git commit -m create add underscore task template, git push, and then clear the screen.